Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're diving into the world of pure off-road capability with the new 2026 KTM 690 Enduro R, known for delivering hardcore performance with everyday usability. KTM's 690 lineup has always been a favorite among adventure riders. For 2026, the Enduro R takes another step forward, sharpening its design, boosting its tech, and refining its rugged personality. Let's break down what makes this new model stand out. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 690 Enduro R features KTM's signature aggressive styling with sharper graphics, a slimmer profile, and improved body ergonomics. The updated LED lighting gives it a modern edge, while revised seat shaping improves comfort on long rides. Lightweight plastics and a tighter fit and finish help the bike feel more purposeful and ready for tough terrain, performance, and powertrain. KTM continues with the powerful 693cc single-cylinder engine, now optimized for smoother torque delivery and reduced vibration. The ride-by-wire system has been refined, and the updated quickshifter provides cleaner gear changes. Suspension from WP XPLOR has been retuned for better control over rocks, sand, and technical trails. Traction control and ride modes have been improved for more precise handling. Safety and technology. For 2026, KTM adds enhanced ABS calibration for both street and off-road settings. The updated TFT display is brighter and easier to read in sunlight, with Bluetooth connectivity offered for navigation and notifications. Improved electronics make the bike feel more intuitive without taking away its raw, adventurous nature. Conclusion. The 2026 KTM 690 Enduro R stays true to its roots while offering smarter tech, refined power delivery, and sharper styling. It's built for riders who crave real adventure and the thrill of exploring beyond the pavement. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more reviews, first looks, and everything happening in the world of motorcycles.